Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn on or turn off extra brightness in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to display, then go to extra brightness. If you turn on extra brightness, some more brightness will be added to available brightness. As of now, this is available brightness. Available brightness is set to maximum. If you turn on this button, extra brightness will applied. Okay, you can clearly see these changes by setting up basic brightness to the low level. Okay, I have set it to low level. Now I click on extra brightness, turn on extra brightness. Some more brightness has been added to this screen. Okay, see here, I turn off now extra brightness. I turn on, see the changes. Brightness has been slightly changed if you use extra brightness. In this way, you can easily turn on or turn off extra brightness for your screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.